Hi, Nico here. The next video you're going to see is an overview of the DMX mode inside the mix controller. Have fun. Okay, so this next video is about the DMX mode in the mix technology. So you go to settings, enter your DMX mode, and now you see you have 5 different options. So the concept is that the mix controller can also act as an emitter. So you can choose your data in, but you can also choose your data out. You have your address here, your profiles, and here is the DMX active enable or disable. So I'll explain that in a second. So in data in, you have the choice to select either XLR, LAN through RG, so it's RG45 connector, and that's ArtNet. CRMX from Lumen Radio, Wi-Fi, which is also ArtNet, and R mode and T mode. R mode, sorry. R mode basically copies what another mix controller does. So if you set your, if you set, for example, right, one controller in T mode, whatever you're going to do on this controller is going to be mimicked by the one in R mode. So let's just escape that mode. Whoops, sorry about that. Oh. Let's go to data out none. Select XLR, then you select your address, and then your profile. So go on our website, look at the profiles. The first one is white profile, 3 channels, intensity, CCT, green, magenta. Then you have your color profile, which is intensity, CCT, hue, and saturation, all that in 8-bit. Your gel mode, where you can select Rosco gels and change the hue and the saturation a little bit. You have your Pro mode, which is very dense. It basically has X, Y, color mode, gel mode, effect, memories, all that in one channel. If you're using a big setup and have a good board operator, I would recommend this Pro mode in 16-bit. And the 16-bit is for dimming, but it's also for the hue function, where you have access to all 360 degrees. Now, if I'm disabled here, I'm still going to be able, that moved. If I'm disabled here, I'm still going to be able to go back and change some settings on the local controller. But if I'm enabled, it will listen to what the DMX signal is sending. Then I'm selecting my data out, let's say CRMX. So in that setup, basically what you have is this controller is receiving XLR, and then it's going to broadcast the XLR signal in wireless DMX in CRMX, really, from Lumen Radio, which is really, really cool. You can do the same by inputting LAN or Wi-Fi, and for example, output an XLR. So if you have a mixed controller in your DMX chain, you can connect in Wi-Fi and then output an XLR or CRMX. When connecting in Wi-Fi, the mixed controller acts as a gateway. So basically, you connect to the Wi-Fi this controller creates. There you go. That's an overview of the DMX mode. Have a great day.